Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new, and today I have this wake up makeup look for you that I wear whenever I want to look awake. I think that sums it up. Alright, let's get into it.
So I always wake up looking like garbage. Just kidding, but I definitely look really tired and pale, so we're gonna add some color. I always make sure to wash my face with cold water first thing in the morning to soothe those puffy bags, and also moisturize. I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows first. I'm so used to filling them in every day, my face actually looks naked when I don't. I think a more defined brow draws more attention to the eye area and makes me look a bit more cleaned up, like I actually tried. So for this look, I'm gonna try to do it in a more not so obvious I'm wearing makeup kind of way. So I'm just feathering out those brows, making sure it's as natural as it possibly can be. Most of the time people can't even tell I'm wearing eyebrows, but probably because they haven't seen me barefaced. The next thing I do is put on some concealer. My eye bags are still a little puffy, but I find that after an hour or so they go down. This is just to take away some of the darkness surrounding my eye area. Now this concealer is a bit too light for my skin, especially since I'm not using any base makeup, so I usually take some bronzer, use a fluffy brush, and go over the area. Afterwards, it just looks like my normal skin. Cool, right? Now I'm gonna use some highlight on my brow bones and cheekbones, also putting a little bit where light usually hits my face. This is my favorite part because it really does a lot to make my face look fresh, moisturized, and dewy. I'm gonna go in with some brow gel just to keep those brows up and maintained. It'll ensure my brows don't droop or get messed up throughout the day. Sometimes I skip this, but today I opted for some mascara just to give my eyes some more definition. Whatever makes your eye area look brighter will definitely do a lot with helping you look more awake. And lastly, I'm just gonna put on some lip balm and give my lips some hydration, and then a few simple strokes of this natural color lip liner will do the trick. I really like a natural pink color for my lips because it's kind of like my lips but better. And it really adds a lot more color to my face without making it really obvious that I'm wearing makeup.
Alrighty everybody, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!